let's try the box method for example 4. This is example 4 where we have x squared minus 2 times 4x plus 3. This is another binomial times a binomial. So 2 rows, 2 columns, just like everything else we've done on this lesson. So box method, x to the power of 2 minus 2. We're multiplying here. So we don't need to fill in any placeholder zeros or anything like that when we added or subtracted. Let's just go straight to multiplying using the box method. So we have x squared minus 2. And then we have 4x plus 3. So 4x plus 3 on the top. Let's multiply like we've been doing for the whole time here. So x squared times 4x. This just has a coefficient of 1. So 1 times 4 is 4. But we have two factors of x and one factor of x here. So x squared times x, that's a total of 3 factors of x, so x to the third. That's what makes this problem a little bit different. Everything else is totally fine. There's really no big difference here now. So now we have 4x times negative 2. That's negative 2x. That's it. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. 4 times 2, right? 4 times 2 is 8. Don't let me get away with that. 4 times 2 is 8. So it's going to be negative 8x, and there's just one factor of x here. So that should be a negative 8x. Okay, you got to catch that. All right, so now we have 3 times x squared. All right, 3 times x squared is just 3x squared. No fancy tricks here. 3 times negative 2. Remember, we multiply. It's going to be negative 6. All right. Are there any like terms? So we have x to the power of 3. There's no powers of 3 here. We have x to the power of 2. There's no powers of 2 here. X, the only thing that just has an x is this one, and 6, negative 6. This one is a constant. So typically, we would have combined these two by adding or subtracting. However, now look at the result. This has an exponent of 2. This does not. So don't just automatically go. You got to really check if there are actually like terms. So there are no other like terms here. So we just have to rewrite it. So 4x cubed to the power of 3 plus 3x squared. Now we're just writing in standard form. Minus 8x. And then minus 6. And that's it. There's no other like terms here, so we're done.